Making your home fire safe is simple. In just a few steps, you can protect your family and property.
Use gravel and concrete for your driveways and patios. Plant fire-resistant shrubs and hedges. When building or renovating your home, choose tile or metal roofing, brick or stone siding, metal window frames, and fire-retardant paints. Reduce fire sources in and around your home by cleaning out your roof and gutters, as well as your ducts and vents to ensure proper airflow. Make sure the power lines around your home are clear of any trees. Declutter your home. Keep only items that you'll find useful and discard or donate the rest. Replace extension cords with exposed wiring as well as any faulty electronics. Check that your smoke alarms are in working order. Get or replace your fire extinguisher. And finally, make sure fire trucks can access your home.
A fire can happen at any time and anywhere. Fireproofing your home can save your life.